What's up, guys? We are here to look at Fartcoin very quickly today because we're seeing another big pump here for Fartcoin on the day. It's up 14%, moving very swiftly. So currently $1.16 on the 7-day period, up 6% on the 1-day period, up 14%. This is pumping. However, it is still down 10% on the month because actually on the 23rd of May, we had a $1.55 Fartcoin. So we're getting excited about a coin that is still down quite a lot, but we are seeing very good yearly growth right here for this token. I mean, you could argue that on the year, this thing, once upon a time had a $1 million market cap. So it's done 1,000x in a 365-day period. But yeah, crazy to see. Now from the dip that we had around sort of February, March, great recovery up over around about, I want to say it's about a 2x from the bottom, a 2.5x from the bottom here. So we might get continuation. It's very hard to say, of course, as always. We will look at the sort of the analytics here, the technicals. But yeah, you can see this is all pretty much because Coinbase adds Fartcoin to the roadmap list. So of course, Coinbase being such a prominent exchange, this is going to help with its exposure, its brand awareness. It's going to help get new buys in, and new volume will be driven to hopefully the ecosystem. So 5th of June is where we saw the bounce, and I think that's effectively where we had the Coinbase announcement around about here. And since then, we've seen a decent pump. We've seen this come up 33%. Now, I'm not saying this will continue to go up because, it could just be purely hype off of the news with no true sort of value behind it. But we do need to see this coin, Fartcoin, start to retest kind of the upper resistance regions from where it previously was. So between $1.30, between $1.56, before we can start getting like really excited about this token. And on the daily time frame, nowhere near being overbought. It did creep down to 36 on the RSI. On the 4-hour relative strength index, you can see it did actually creep down late May to being oversold, and then also 5th of June was oversold too. Since then, it's now pumped up a little bit, and it is creeping towards the overbought territory. So of course, naturally, I really hope to see this keep going up, but it's very hard to say exactly where it's going to end up going. By the way, if you're using our trend wave indicator, which is our new indicator called X1 Wave, trade wave, and yeah, you can find out more about this down below in my Patreon, or just find the link. It's literally just $27.50 per month. You can find it in my Patreon as well. And if you become a crypto waiver, you're going to get this indicator for £21 per month, or a little bit more in the dollars format, of course. So yeah, you can see this is also capitalized as a bit of gains. It told us to go long right here. We're currently up 18% on this particular position. We've partially closed some. That's what that blue X is right there. So doing good actually on this trade thus far. It's still possible we could move up, but it's really hard to say in this market. We've got Bitcoin nearing all-time high again, and the meme market is still a little bit boring in my opinion. It's still 50% down where it was. So memes are still a little bit of a question mark in the sort of macro perspective. Also, guys, if you are looking to maximize your crypto growth, do have a look at my Patreon. We've only got 10 crypto legend slots available. This will give you access to my private Discord, even though it is also free to join. So have a look at Jacob's Crypto Clan down below. Now, here are just some wins of the traders that are making big gains every single day. And, these are gains that you could also be making as well for yourself. If you are curious to check it out, of course, the link is down below. We had a 10x call recently for a coin called Mixi right here, which was absolutely brilliant. So Crypto Legends got in early on this, made some big gains as well. And from time to time, it is worth getting into. So yeah, we had a 3x, and now it's already a 10x 3 days later. So we'll just let the group know, of course, that we are now at 10x, and it's a good time to sell. Yeah, for Mixi, good time to sell. Boom! Congratulations, Crypto Legends. Very nice to see this. But yeah, just to show you how lively the general chat is here in my Discord. People are talking all the time, consistently sharing ideas. Then we've got the VIP chat where things become a little bit more serious. But gains are being shared, opportunities are being shared, and people are doing their best to make the most of these markets. You're going to get a lot of juicy insights from traders that know what they're doing. So just being there in a high net worth sort of valuable community could really help. Fartcoin, 8k followers. You can see hot air always rises was their latest tweet. I like it. What should we I just shot myself reading this. Let's see. Okay, nice. So, yep, Fartcoin looking pretty bullish. Posting out, of course, they had their Coinbase assets roadmap listing, which is very nice to see as well. What other coins are looking hot in this market right now? We've got Solaxy. Quick 1 minute talk about this coin. Launching on major exchanges real soon. 6 days, 22 hours until the pre-sale ends. $45.9 million has been raised. So one Solaxy token is 0.00175. You can indeed click buy with crypto if you wish to use your Best Wallet or MetaMask or Wallet Connect. And there's only 6 days to go, guys, until this presale will be finished, where it will go into its token generation event from its presale, where you can claim the tokens into your wallet and wait for the exchange listing. And there you can either transfer, sell, or hold your tokens, whatever you wish to do. So by getting into this token, you're effectively supporting Solaxy Crypto presale, the Solana Layer 2, which helps with network congestion, failed transactions, and scalability limitations of Solana. So 76K followers plus now, 77.6K, putting a lot of info out on their Twitter, constantly growing. It's definitely another one of these coins that I'm very, very keen to see where it's going to go. Very memeable. They recently raised 45 million, so they were celebrating it, but it's really the launching on major exchanges side that does excite me quite a lot. So you can research this token also down below should you wish to do so. And I would say before we do head off, you can also check out the exchanges that we've got down below right now. CaseX and Bitfinex are doing events. They've got some nice giveaways, so you can enjoy them whilst the event is still ongoing. And you know, they've got bonus codes for you guys. That's Bitfinex and CaseX. You can sign up from anywhere in the world. It's worth having a look at, in my honest, humble opinion, because there's no KYC. Sign up in seconds, and you might even get some bonuses with the CaseX ecosystem as well. So really do enjoy that. Just want to say thank you for anyone who's tuned in to this video. Please do give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and just, you know, hit that notification bell. Whatever you can do to help the algorithm and help YouTube understand that we're here making these videos, because we're here to stay in the Web3 world and help people, you know, find that gateway into the blockchain space. So thank you for viewing. See you soon. Peace. Boom.